I'm gonna try not to cuss when I make this video, but I'm irritated. So today we're supposed to be celebrating my friend getting out her little relationship. It was just so toxic. It's always been toxic. But we like, okay, we're gonna celebrate for you. And y'all, this man didn't put us through hell. I'm not even gonna say her. Y'all, this nigga didn't hit me before, trying to break up their fight. He didn't hit our other homegirl, and he had a baby on her. So we like, today we gonna celebrate. We gonna get cute. We gonna go out to the bar, get some drinks, go out to eat and all of that. She been saying how she ain't been feeling cute because she in a relationship. I get it. So last night she came to my house and I did her hair. The plan was to go out at 5 p.m. today. It's 5:30. I'm still in the house, and let me tell y'all why. After I do her hair, everything, she go home. Now today, I get up, I take a shower, get dressed or whatever. Now I'm fully dressed. She wasn't saying nothing in the group chat while we was talking about our outfits, so I knew something was weird. So y'all, at like 4:40, she texting the group chat like, y'all about to be mad at me. So I'm thinking like, wow, if you finna cancel, I don't care. I still look good. I'm about to go outside. She talking about he want to come. We thought you were doing. Why you even over there? And why the fuck is the reason we celebrate and finna come celebrate with us? I'm so confused. Like, y'all is so fucking annoying.